Flushing, Meadowpark, Saturday weekend. Outside is second than the choose check a course. To go shoot those score. Uda Jilla Park the Halazome. This is chicken over rice. Chicken over rice. Namju halal tirami the Kagar the Betkora. Chicken tenders up the Tanjo. Corona ball weekend activity shoot the Semutse Nami. Hindu the Dinba Kora and Tado Emba. The thing is, we show the Pakala Kargar Chungu the activities.
Helado están queriendo. Ya.
$5?
Ya, me cobra. This pay. News?
Huh? News? No.
No.
YouTube.
Oh, ya.
Dice YouTube.
YouTube, yeah.
Oh, vale, cuidado.
The mga oranges, yeah, it's all.
Oh, está vino con el pajarito. Oh, ¿cuál?
Take on the Yamato Makayo comes now. Energy juice Zoda. Orange juice is Toro.
¿Vas a venir para abajo?
Putergonos ice cream go lay the Sangar the Ninja.
El siguiente, te pone un gerel.
West Indies team, the Punjab team, New York League. Or Sunju, though, in a was a late chado. Player Kashi car accident or Charles. Late chado, which maybe 20 over, maybe 25 hours. Nijabul, the Punjabi team did that. The Gidesh Baku Punjab name as well. My Himachal name number. Nikolai, the Punjab ni McLeod Ganj Badu. Babatan do a Q later. McLeod Ganj to the later. How the match goes to the Punjabi team, the West Indians team. Spin bowler. Oh, medium pace, I think. Oh, nice. Good fielding over there. Nice shot. Fielding really slow. So far I don't see any boundaries. I wonder how many overs they're playing. Okay, this could be boundary or no. Okay, this is the boundary, I think. So that's the boundary. You see the signal from the umpire? Let's call a boundary. 4 runs.
My name is Kadeem Sims. I'm a part of the Kingsmen cricket team, and we're here for our 3rd cricket game of the season. We are 2 games and we lost our first 2 games, unfortunately. And this is our 3rd, so we're hoping to get a win.
What about run rate now?
Yeah, so right now I think they're gone like 4 or 5 overs. I don't have the score with me right now, but we're probably about 25, 30 thereabout from 5 overs. So it's not bad, but we've lost 2 wickets. So our captain is out and another top order batsman is out. So that's not really good for us, but we have a good batting line. Oh, we're the Kingsmen.
Kingsmen?
Yeah, King with the apostrophe S. So it's Kingsmen. Like we're, men of kings.
Yes.
Yeah. People from Jamaica, people from St. Kitts, Antigua, all over the Caribbean. So we're more like a Caribbean team.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Best of luck. I hope
Like
you
and
win.
subscribe to the channel.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's
All
not
right.
hard, right? Only one press.
Yeah, it's free. Just like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, you know, in the box. But yeah, like, subscribe, and enjoy the cricket.